Hello everyone. Yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and support me, guys. Please click on bell icon and subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Thank you so much. And in today's session we are going to learn about how to configure RFC adapter and how to configure connectivity between S4 or SAP ECC and CPI. Okay, so let's go. Let's take an example here. uh, and this is my local client network. Let's say, assume this is my local client network. Okay, and I'm going to give one more, and this is my SAP server. You can say SAP ECC or S4 HANA, whatever. Okay, this is my local SAP server which is deployed or configured or installed in my client network. Okay, local client network. Also I have SAP Cloud Connector which is also deployed on client network. SAP Cloud Connector, and let's say, and this is my cloud CPI. Okay, this is my cloud CPI or BTP, whatever. So how to configure the RFC connectivity between SAP ECC and CPI via cloud connector? We will today see the class. So let's SAP CPI to SAP Cloud Connector connectivity and Cloud Connector to our SAP HANA connectivity. So first of all, we will see how the connectivity between SAP ECC S4 HANA and SAP Cloud Connector. Okay, how to configure. So let's guys, this SAP S4 HANA is currently not available. Just I am showing the configuration how to do for RFC connectivity. Okay, in this case I will not execute end-to-end test case. Why? Because this server is not available, but I will explain in this the how to configure the RFC connectivity between CPI and S4 HANA or SAP ECC via cloud connector. Okay, now we will see the connectivity between SAP cloud connector and SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay, so in this case, login into cloud connector. This is our cloud connector. Log into it. Let me give capital letter. Okay, I have logged into cloud connector. Okay, I have logged into this cloud connector, guys. Go to here on cloud to on-prem connectivity. Here we have to provide connectivity. Here we have to maintain the entry for the connectivity between where SAP ECC to SAP Cloud Connector. Okay, click ABAP system. Now we have to take ABAP system. Next, here we have to take RFC as a protocol. Next, we have to give with load balancing, without load balancing. Just in this case I am taking without load balancing. You have to provide the application server. I am taking the application server as okay this one, and system number, instance number we can give 01 or 00. Next, this is a virtual one. I'm keeping same. You can keep same or we can give the alias name, guys. In this case I am keeping the same. Okay, and next, system ID. So I am giving system ID as system ID only. These details base system will provide, guys. Base system will do all these configurations, but I am explaining the how to configure, how to implement the connectivity steps between these two servers. Okay, this configuration will be done by basis team. This is basis team job, but anyway we have to learn as a CPI developer. We have to learn, and we have at least we do have the knowledge about the connectivity. Okay, system ID. Okay, system ID as system ID I have given, and next, system think we should give some number 01 invalid or missing. Let's give okay, system ID is not required here as of now. Next, check internal host and finish. Okay, this is our see, it is it is showing us not reachable status, guys. Why? Because the physically the system is not available. Just I am showing the steps how to configure the RFC destination. Okay, this is the connectivity. So let's say in this case also it is not available. I have not started the server. It is also, but in real time case we will see the status as reachable in green. Okay, so now we have established the connectivity between SAP ECC and SAP Cloud Connector. Okay, SAP ECC and SAP Cloud Connector connectivity successfully connected. So real time, guys, if we use the actual details, then we will get here reachable in green. Okay, that is the this is the connectivity between SAP Cloud Connector and S/4HANA. Okay, and now we will see the connectivity between SAP CPI and SAP S/4HANA via Cloud Connector. Okay, go to BTP cockpit, guys. This is the BTP cockpit, and go to connectivity tab. Here we have destination and cloud connector. Here cloud connectors, once we configure the cloud connector, automatically we will see the cloud connector details here. Okay, SAP CPI is the location ID. Okay, if you go here and click on this connector, SAP CPI, this is the location ID. Okay, this is a cloud connector. Now we have to go to destination. Under connectivity we have an option as destinations. Under destination, here just create destination. Okay, create destination. Here we have to provide name. It should be any name, guys, but it should be like some meaningful. I can give RFC destination. You can give RFC destination. Here type should be RFC. Okay, type should be RFC. Description we can give anything, guys, but it should be some meaningful. RFC connectivity between CPI and, or else BTP you can give here, BTP and S/4HANA. Okay, and this is on-prem server. We already discussed, right? This is on-prem server, so I have taken proxy type as on-premise, and here we have to provide user, guys, user passwords and everything provided by the SAP basis team. Okay, anyway this configuration also will be done by the basis team only, but for our knowledge purpose I am doing here using some examples. Okay, I will give some RFC CPI user as user, and password I will give anything. Okay, and alias user not required guys. Here configured user tag, here repository user REP RFC user. I am taking some dummy user guys, and here I'll give some password. These details we have to get from the basis team. Basis team or security team will create the users in SAP security will create the users in SAP S4HANA, and they will share the details with us. Okay, or else basis team. Okay, and here location ID we should take from where? From cloud connector. Okay, via cloud connector. So this configuration we have done. Next we have to maintain some additional properties guys. 4 additional properties we have to maintain. I'll tell you what are the additional property we have to maintain here. First, alias host. Okay, alias host and client and system number, client system number and language. Language. These 4 additional properties we have to maintain guys. In our case, this host, right, alias host also we have maintained same in CPI. This is the alias host, right, host. And here client I can take 100. Suppose let's say this S4HANA which having some multiple clients, 100, 200, 300, 400 like that. So we have to integrate the 100 client in this case. Okay, so I have given 100 is the client number, and system number I already given 01, right, in cloud connector. So same client number I am using here, and language should be EN, English. Okay, these are the mandatory details we have to provide guys. Here again we go now. Okay, we have to provide RFC destination, any name you can give, type should be RFC, description should be some meaningful description, and on-premise server we have taken RFC, this user password and this repository user password will provide by the SAP security team. You have to get these details from SAP security team. This configured user we have to take, location ID should be from cloud connector, and here these parameter alias host, client, system number and language we have to wait. Just save it guys. Just save is the destination is ready. Okay, once destination is successfully configured, then we have to check the connection. Just click on here, check the connection. Okay, once check the connection, it is failed. Why? Because system is not available, so it is failed. But in successful case, we will receive successfully connected pop-up. Okay, I'll show you the example as well. After connecting we will receive like this: connection to RFC destination successful. Like this pop-up we will receive, but in this case the details are not available, so it failed while connecting to S4HANA. Okay, along with these details, so now this connectivity established and this connectivity is also established, right? So CPI to S4HANA via SAP Cloud Connector connectivity successfully established. Okay, and one more thing guys, this is mandatory to remember for especially for RFCs. Once you click here, in bottom we have add resources. Okay, we have to add the resources guys. Here we should take exact name and activate, and here we have to provide the function module name. Let's say our function module name is some jig get order list. Okay, RFC name. we have to give RFC name. Okay, if we have not maintained this the resource under this entry, then we will receive the 400 or 403 errors. Okay, in CPI we will receive the, while connecting to SAP we will receive the 400 or 403 errors. So we have to maintain this function name. Function name nothing but here function module name, RFC name you have to maintain. Please remember this, guys. Without maintaining, suppose you have not maintained, in real time you are receiving some 400 or 403 errors, you have to check here whether this resource is available or not. If the resource is available, still you are getting some 403 or 400 or 401 issues, then that in that case we have to assume that we have some connectivity or some authorization issue. In that case we have to check with SAP security team sharing these user details. We are unable to connect with this S4HANA via RFC using this user. Could you please check the authorizations at S4 site, so that security team will check the authorization and they will provide the proper authorization, so that we will successfully connect to S4HANA via cloud connector. Okay, this is mandatory, guys, to maintain this resource name. Okay. And one more thing, now I am going to create one dummy iFlow here, dummy iFlow here. We will create one iFlow, guys. Here I am creating some RFC package, RFC connectivity. I am giving description also same. Okay, save. After saving this, go here and add iFlow some RFC some RFC connectivity, add it. Okay, open it. So now come here, guys. Some data you want to send to RFC, then take here RFC adapter. It is that RFC, RFC adapter. RFC adapter, go to configuration part, connection part. Here just we need to give only destination name. Destination should be from RFC destination. This is our destination name. Okay, this destination name we have to maintain. Okay, save. Once we send the data from source, let's say this is the source. You can take any adapter like this, /RFC test something. Okay, this is our, once we send the data from source to receiver via RFC, it will successfully hit to our S4HANA server. Okay, these are the configurations we need to do in BTP cockpit and cloud connector. First, cloud connector, guys, I am explaining. First we have to establish the connection between SAP cloud connector and SAP S4HANA or SAP ECC. Okay, so for S4HANA or SAP ECC cloud connector, just we have to maintain the entry here. Okay, as I shown you earlier with all the host and the port details. After maintaining, we have to maintain the resource as a RFC name. Okay, and then we have to check the, by clicking on it, we have to check the status of the connectivity between cloud connector and SAP ECC. Okay, if it is not reachable, we have to check with basis team. Anyway, this configuration will do by the basis team. They will take care. If our team, if supposed to want to do, then we have to check with the basis team for saying that this SAP is not reachable from BTP or cloud connector. Please check whatever and something. Okay, so once it is successfully reachable means this connectivity successfully established. Now we have to check the connectivity between this one SAP or this one via cloud connector. Okay, and we have to create the destination, and we have to give, this is on-premise server, and we have to give the credentials. We have the repository credentials and also location ID. Look, why location ID we are giving? We are giving via cloud connector, we are sending the data. So due to this is on-premise server, we have to provide this location ID. These all are the system SAP system details. That are the host, alias host, client, and language and system number. We have to provide these new additional properties. Okay, after providing the properties, just click on here to check the connectivity. Okay, if everything is works fine, then we will receive the successful, else we will receive this backend system is not available. Okay, also it is giving some guidance like check the mapping, system mapping in cloud connector. Check the system mapping, nothing but here, whether this target system properly mapped or not, or properly reachable or not. Okay, here in our case anyway this system is not available physically, so it is giving not reachable status. Okay, once it is everything is fine, then like this, here we have to just use this alias name. Okay, this is the destination name we have to use here. Once we providing the hint successfully to hitting to target server. Okay, just click on destinations again. What happened? Okay, this is cloud connector and this is destination. See, destination is available. Okay, RFC destination and basic details. What are the client? Okay, what are the system number, whether type is on-premise or proxy. So like this we can see. This is the guys how to configure the RFC connectivity between SAP S4HANA and SAP CPI via cloud connector. Okay, thanks guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe and support me guys for more updates and more videos. Thank you very much. Bye.